Hey there, welcome back to Margot and me. The end of day, I'm guessing now, 61, 62, I think 61. I'm on the ferry, have been for a few hours now. 16-hour ferry from Newfoundland to North Sydney on Cape Breton Island. And yeah, what a great day. A nice ride, really nice ride. Pretty decent weather. Had 20 minutes of misty rain, but really pretty good. Here I am on the boat. Yeah, what else to say? Left Newfoundland. Yeah, kind of sad about that. What a really special place this is. This is very different than the rest of Canada. What a neat place it is, and I'm going to miss it a lot. And I'm glad to be on the road home at the same time. It's kind of both at once. What I was talking about in yesterday's video. So I'm on the boat. This is my little cabin here. Yeah, I've got this little cubbies to keep my stuff, and little bunk bed. I think I'll sleep on the bottom. And this little window looking out at the ocean. Nothing much to see out there. We're in the middle of the Atlantic on our way to North Sydney. Yeah, a good day. Decent ride. Met some nice people. Waiting for to board on the ferry. Talked with lots of other bikers and got to know them, and sat with somebody else in the restaurant and really enjoyed that. But yeah, that's the end of this day. And tomorrow morning, we dock at 9 in the morning ish. We left 20 minutes late, so I don't know what that'll be. I'm gonna ride so whatever time I start, I'm gonna ride the Cabot Trail around Cape Breton and end up in Antigonish, Nova Scotia for the night, tomorrow night. And that's the plan, and start crawling toward home. Looking forward to it a lot. Anyway, hope you're all doing well. Talk to you later. Good morning.
Do you have a booking today?
I do.
What's your booking number? You can tell me your last name.
Hi.
That's lane 14.
14. Thank you.
Thanks, have a nice day.
Attention please, can I get the following passengers? Please come to the reception desk on deck number 7. That's Juliana Kerbin, Jamie Neville, Chris Lake. That's Juliana Kerbin, Jamie Neville, and Chris Lake. Votre attention s'il vous plaît. Juliana Kerbin, Jamie Neville, Chris Lake. Pouvez-vous rendre à la réception sur le pont 7? That's Juliana Kerbin, Jamie Neville, and Chris Lake. Thank you.